According to me, a hero is someone who rises up from whatever the status in life is or whatever the circumstances are and comes to embody a representative of the highest level that a human being can attain. A hero is someone who knowingly and voluntarily makes a conscious decision to sacrifice something of oneself for the greater good of others. A hero doesn't seek notoriety or praise for personal glorification, but instead uses whatever attention he receives to perpetuate his achievements to a greater degree. The actions of a hero make a positive impact on another or many so as to change or alter the outcome of a situation that would otherwise be detrimental. So friends, let's know some facts of some unsung heroes who has attained the wish or goals of their lives in their own way. So here we go.
Good morning friends. I am Babar Ali. At a very young age, I have seen my parents struggling to send me to school. This made me run my own school for underprivileged kids, and I also earned the title of youngest headmaster at the age of 16 by BBC in 2009.
Good morning friends, I am Arunima Sinha, world's first female amputee who climbed Mount Everest and also 5 of the world's 8 highest summits.
Good morning friends, I am Karim Bhai. I live in Hyderabad and distribute newspapers to our children in this society to make sure that they grow up as aware individuals.
Good morning friends, I am Ruben Paul. At my age, boys are just stepping into the fantasy world of Hogwarts and beginning to identify with the wimpy kid. But my eyes are on the rail, the green code rail of the Matrix. I am a 7th grader who is already an accomplished hacker, app developer, cybersecurity expert, and not surprisingly, CEO of a game development firm, Prudent Games. In hacker circles, I am also a respected speaker, and I share my wisdom from the diyas while standing on a chair hidden behind the lectern. I started learning various computer languages at the age of 6. I am now a 13 years old boy who owns a company and was invited to give a lecture on cybersecurity.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Tracy Thomas. I was also called the Missile Woman of India because of my achievement in DRDO. I was the project director of Agni 4 missile and was the first woman scientist in India to lead a missile project.
Good morning friends, I am Aditi Chauhan. I was the first Indian girl to play in the English Premier League, who also made India proud by winning the Women in Football Award in Asian Football Awards in London.
Hello friends, I am Saju Talukdar. When I was in class 5, my uniform made up of old clothes got torn. My father was unable to make me a new uniform, so I had to drop out of school. What happened with me shouldn't happen with anyone else. I am a 47-year-old commercial car driver and I run the Bir Birsa Munda cloth bank near the Dimdima Tea Gardens nearly 100 kilometers from Siliguri in the Alipurduar district of West Bengal. I distribute 4,000 pairs of clothes to the needy people every week. Though the cloth bank was inaugurated in January 2017, I have been collecting clothes and distributing to the needy and elderly people since more than a decade now. Today the cloth bank has 50,000 units and we distribute more than 3 to 4,000 pairs of clothes to the families in tea gardens, railways, bus stops and where they need.
Hello friends, I am Venkatraman. I once met a woman who was admitted in the government hospital as she could not afford dinner. Since then, I have decided and started serving lunch at ₹1, which I have been doing for 9 years now.
I have served at least 40,000 people at rupees 1 till date. The prices of food grains, spice, oil and vegetables have gone up many times in the last 4 years, but the 1 rupee meal has remained unaffected. I ensure that the poor get the same meal that the other customers get for rupees 40. For the other customers, the price has been revised. 4 years ago, the price of a lunch in our hotel was rupees 25. Now it's rupees 40. I even give a 20% discount to the disabled.
Good morning, friends. I am Kolakal Devaki Amma. Working for the past 40 years, I grew a forest all by myself. Long before India began discussing global warming, I, with no formal education, started to do my bit to save the environment. The result is a story of change that you all can benefit from. With a wetland, a couple of private ponds, and animals like cows, buffaloes, and oxen, I have been single-handedly nurturing my forest for years. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. I am Ravana Umadevi Nagaraj. People know me as a typist in IHT Bangalore, but not everyone knows that I am a professional billiards player who is a 3-time national champion.
So friends, I hope you understand that a real hero